Okay, now we're on to the last bow that I'm going to show you today, and that is going to be using the organza. Now I've gone ahead and tied on a piece of white organza, which might be a little bit hard to see here in the picture, but I did it as I did it before and left just the tails. Then I chose a white and a dark green piece of organza to tie as the bow. Tying this bow is just a little bit different because this material is different. Once again, you measure them about the same way, and I've got them arm's length. Now the trick with the organza is I line them up like I had done before. I'm going to put this up so maybe you can see still. And you make the loops just like I did before. And again, generally I try and stick with about 3 or maybe 4 on each side. And if they're uneven, that's okay. With the organza, the thing that you need to do is snip just a little bit in the center. Hope you can see that. Just a little slot. And you do that on both sides. That helps the bow so that it all spreads out. Now once again, we're just going to tie that on with our middle strings that we had. These can be tied in a knot or in a bow. And you want to make sure that you get those little slots, the one that's tying on into those little slots. Okay, so now I've got that tied. And here you just pull these and twist. And you pull and you twist. And as you pull and twist them, the bow fills out. And we'll do the other side here. Sometimes I think that people will try and make the bows a little bit, the loops a little bit smaller in the center so that it looks like there's a little bit more fullness around the outside. And these little pieces were longer, so I'll trim those off. And I always cut them at an angle so that they'll look neat. And here you have an organza bow. I think those are very rich, especially for some of the foil papers. And that is it for today.